I will get spinach. I will cook for our viand for dinner. So we have one here, one plant, and also here, but already start the seeds. So only leaves I will remove here. There is also here. Yan, oh. And then also over there, but already seeds come. Yan, oh. These peanuts also. So I will remove from here. Also this one is spinach. Yan. So I will remove here. And I will mix also with potatoes. Bismillah. Yan. Last night, there is too much rain. That's why maraming lupa. Lakas ng ulan kagabi. Then umulan din ng hailstorm. Ayan, marami na ito pag nakuha lahat. Yung malalaki ang kunin ko. Daming lupa. Ito damo ito. Ang galing. Yan. And then, yung maliliit, lang tira ko para after 1 week, lalaki na naman itong mga dahon niya. Yan. So, dito tayo. Yan. Yan dito din. Pagpag natin daming lupa, oh. Kasi umulan kagabi. Too much rain last night. That's why too much ayan, oh, lupa. Pagpag natin. Daming lupa. Ayan. Dito sa kabila pagpag natin. Kasi maraming lupa. Dito ulit. Yan, no, daming lupa. So, it's cooking time. Now I will saute now this organic tubers of onions. Last week we harvested, and also this garlics. There's also native garlics and onions. Too much there down, but I get only here little for cooking. Then when finish, I will go there again down to get. We stuck there down. And I will use also garlics here. And then this is already organic spinach. And tomatoes, green chilies, this is not organic because our tomatoes, inshallah, after 1 month or 1.5 months, then we can get already our tomatoes. And potatoes, this is not also organic. We have also potatoes, but still we did not harvest. So only garlics, onions, and vegetables is organic. Now we have to put now this, what is this? Garlics. I put already green chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, then tomatoes, and green chilies. Now we add now also these slices of potatoes. Already cook our viand for dinner. This is potatoes with spinach. Now next I will make now chapati, and also I'm cooking rice for me here. Chapati for them, for my husband, for Langga, for Fahad, and for Fatma. Making now chapatis. This is rice. I make slow fire here, and this is to make chapati there in flat pan. Yung tawa, tawag nila dito. One finish. Now we have to put her in bag for chapati. Yes, so become remain hot. Then next, I will make 12 chapatis because I will eat rice. Finish. Chapatis is already ready. Yan. Yan. Mausap pa. And then also my rice. So we'll eat now our dinner. I put 2 eggplants here. Yan. And then 1 egg. It's good for my ulcer. Boil lang. Steam.